Are you missing out on the essential nutrients that could transform your health? In today's health-conscious world, balancing essential fatty acids is crucial, especially for vegans. Omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids play vital roles in heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. Let's explore the best plant-based sources of these essential fats and how to incorporate them into your diet. Flaxseed and flaxseed oil are among the richest plant-derived sources of vegan, omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds offer numerous benefits, including healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Chia seeds are another excellent vegan source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in fiber, protein, and various minerals. Incorporating chia seeds into daily meals is simple. They blend seamlessly into smoothies or can be sprinkled over oatmeal. Hemp seeds offer a favorable ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, rich in essential fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Adding hemp seeds to your diet can improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive function. Walnuts are a delicious source of vegan omega-3 fatty acids, adding a delightful crunch and rich flavor to various dishes. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Algae oil is a promising and sustainable source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. This plant-based oil is rich in omega-3s, essential for overall development, cognitive function, and visual health. Vegan Omega-3-6-9 supplements provide a valuable option for those following a plant-based diet. Flaxseed oil capsules offer a convenient way to incorporate vegan omega-3 into your daily diet. These capsules are an excellent alternative to fish oil, particularly for individuals following a plant-based diet. Chia seed capsules are a convenient option for enhancing omega-3 intake, delivering essential fatty acids in an easy-to-consume format. Hemp seed oil capsules offer a balanced mix of essential fatty acids and a variety of health benefits, including promoting brain health. Algae oil capsules provide DHA and EPA for vegans, allowing individuals to meet their omega-3 requirements without consuming animal products. When choosing a vegan omega-3-6-9 supplement, consider the source of omega-3 fatty acids. The ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids in a supplement is crucial for supporting normal physiological functions. The quality and purity of vegan omega-3 supplements significantly impact their health benefits. Selecting third-party tested, vegan certified products can enhance consumer confidence in the product's quality. Consider additional ingredients and potential allergens present in the product to avoid negative health effects. Garden of Life Ultra Omega-3 Vegan DHA is an algae-based omega-3 supplement offering a highly concentrated source of DHA and EPA. Deva Vegan Omega-3 DHA is derived from algae, providing essential fatty acids for those following a vegan diet. Nordic Naturals Algae Omega is a top-quality supplement providing DHA and EPA sourced from sustainably harvested algae. Omega-3 Vegetarian/Vegan Omega-3 DHA plus EPA is designed specifically for vegans, containing both DHA and EPA in plant-based form. Veganicity Omega-3 DHA EPA 500 mg is an excellent choice for enhancing overall omega-3 intake with high-quality, plant-based ingredients. By incorporating these supplements into your daily routine, you can experience numerous health benefits. Nourish your body with the best plant-based sources of omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids and thrive on a vegan diet.